Guys, from missing in our front seats, and my hair, oh, I'm gonna look, you know, decent. Y'all there, Jamaica! Big, what with that, Samora? I like that in the Samora, Sammy.
What you want?
What I want? What's wrong with that, Sam?
Jamaica!
Yes.
I got the W drip.
Calm down. Oh my god, so guys, not too much on me, but you know, my life not excited to that foreign. So when we come down my active vlog, cause that's what you guys know me for, like my Jamaican vlogs or whatever. So yes, me and my family, we came to Jamaica for a couple of days, you know.
Weeks,
no, sorry, we here for a couple of days. But yeah, we're at Jamaica. So we just decided to come down, come deal with some stuff. I know, plus say family, you know, it's been a year since they haven't seen their loved ones or whatever. So we said we're just gonna take a quick trip. And yeah, I'm just gonna share my time here with you guys. I did not vlog anything at the airport because, like, I'm not gonna say it was hectic, but it was very, very draining. We left our house like 12:30 in the morning because we had to drive all the way to Rochester for the airport because we flied with Spirit, because Southwest tickets was like sky high, like 13, 1200 and them money there. I'm just alright, let me go try with Spirit. I was so nervous because, you know, y'all always hear bad stuff about Spirit. You're flying at Spirit, y'all gonna end up at Spirit. But honestly, it was okay. I got to where I was going. The only thing is, okay, yeah, you're gonna get the drinks, the snacks,
don't get no free snacks.
But that's not important or whatever. That's like nothing. Sorry, you can't buy your own snacks. And like with the bag of cheese, but you just have to know fit travel with them. Everybody was complaining like, oh, they're gonna get carry on and this and that. But like, honestly, we each had one suitcase that we paid for, £150, and that was it. You know, it could I do. You just have to like adapt to it or whatever, you know. But yeah, I would definitely fly them again. The only downside is they don't fly out of our airport, so we had to drive like all the way to freaking Rochester, but that's fine. Yeah, it was a real smooth travel, and we flew to Tone a long time in the flight on my Kingston. The airport just looked dead, and I used to think like Tone was like the airport, but it don't cut that shit at all. When me there, I'm gonna be, it's like more vibesy, more life, you know. But we got through quick. I'm down here with my grandmother and my aunt and her kids. We left them at the airport because their ride didn't come yet, and our ride did. So right now I'm here in the KFC drive-thru because I'm good to eat from yesterday.
Well,
what,
guys,
5 p.m. yesterday. Been not eating nothing. I've been snacking on like some chips.
I only ate gummy clusters.
And you had spaghetti, Samari, and I ate 1 o'clock
in the middle
morning.
of the night.
Yeah, but I'm hungry. I've been
starving.
like starving myself so I can watch some 10-piece.
I'm trying to get some patty, but they won't listen to me.
You want patty?
Yeah.
Oh guys, and guess what? Nobody didn't know, so we are coming on. So yo,
I'm gonna surprise my mom.
He's gonna surprise his mom. Sean B is gonna go surprise his mom and, you know, his family or whatever.
I'm gonna surprise them too.
Me I gonna pop up on Philly, so you know, oh my god, one piece of excitement, guys.
It's gonna be so lit.
What? It picked them up, or it's up here first? Oh, they reach here so quick. Hey!
They can't go in this one. Please see me, I'm not even why no, I can't have the call to me.
So they're in the car? They not here?
Why you listen to call the phone, brother, I'm your phone. One blood
out there. Guys, I finally got my KFC after like freaking hours. But then me and me running that freaking problem because our phone is not getting any service, and I need my phone out here with the data and stuff. So we on the phone with T-Mobile and stuff. So hopefully they can get this sorted out because nothing I'll pick up or whatever. I can't even enjoy my food in peace. But
yeah. Guys,
Alright guys, I'm about to call Felisa and try to set up a little sitting so we can pop up on her. Because we can't go, we are on a... Well, we will have to see what she did first and then tell her for me to start a
And guys,
bag walk.
and when we're done, we're gonna pop up on my mom.
And your mom, yeah.
And when we're done with my mom,
I'm about to call her now,
my
so
grandma's mom, my dad's mom.
Oh, we bought revolution. Oh, guys, we got our phones to work now, so we're all set with that. Girl, you know, see me, I call you. Oh, don't upset. But something there. You know, so Pauline told me that she over here she couldn't bother bring your shoes for CC.
What the fuck?
Yeah, but sitting there, Shanky did have one cousin with it come down, so we did have to ship it to him. I sitting there, so we didn't want to make sure to say it reached first before Mikayla and tell her. But they might come from Spanish Town today. Where you at now?
I'm home.
Oh, you could have meet them down Bagua in like in the next 30 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I could have met them next year when I come back from college.
No, Phil, you know, just make sure you yeah.
Alright. In the next 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So if you leave the next 30 minutes, I'll reach down there by the next 30
It say it might go reach there in the next 30 minutes.
Alright.
Yeah, but me I go call Shanky and then call the person for confirm for something. But it did tell me say in 30 minutes.
Alright, do that on alright.
Yeah. Yo, I want to tell you something.
What if she don't come?
What was you saying, B? You was mounting something.
No, I was telling you to tell her that juicy beef.
Oh, at Juicy Beef.
Yeah.
B, guys, can you believe
all
we
right,
got for 1 year and you made it tell me say him forgot the road about Jamaica?
Alright.
B,
Yeah.
I want to hear your guys. So much you did wait 5 years or something.
Misbehaving, man. It can't happen to anybody, man.
It can't happen to anybody.
Yeah, we just misbehaving.
It can happen to every single person on planet Earth.
I thought when you said stuff like that to come out of people, like their trade and rules and stuff.
I mean,
Guy's been gone for a year. He might have forgot like a lot of things.
So where we at, go angels or the toll is gonna take us right out?
Angels. I got angels. I won't go angels. No, we don't say.
So we are gonna pass that bridge or we going to the toll?
Told me I take my man go.
So where we are gonna come out of Lidsted right there? The
no, I come out of angels.
My brother
Angels.
lives here.
oh
My brother lives down.
oh sorry.
My brother lives down this road.
Smart, do you even know where you at? You talking about your brother?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I don't. My brother's near.
Okay.
Can we go see my brother real quick?
Sam, you don't even. I guess so your brother lives somewhere. Oh really? Oh. But you don't know if he home. You're not gonna wait till.
I don't know where.
I know
Sam,
his
you're not
house.
gonna wait until
I know
you
his
see your
house.
mom for something. There? You just can't pop up on him, but you don't know if
I
he's
don't
there.
know his house. I think he's at training right now.
Okay. Well, Sam, when you go to see your mom, then you spend a day with her and you guys go look for your brother.
Nope, I'm not spending one of those days.
Wait, but you're not
Half a day.
half a day? And then where else you gonna... Guys, me feel like somebody don't want left we out because me tell him say he not come back for him because he's not behaving himself. Is that why, right? That's why you don't want left we out. You have to spend some time with your brother because you don't know when you're
My
gonna see her
brother lives
again.
down there.
You don't know when you're gonna see her again. So...
I might just
Yeah,
spend one.
but I've been telling him like, yo, you know, if you don't listen to me or you're not behaving yourself. Oh, Ross, Felisa, calm down. Shh, what am I tell me?
Tell him, tell him to come on. No.
They say I'm going there.
Juicy beef.
Shut up, guys. Fell.
Yeah?
Yeah, he said I'm going there that Juicy Beef in 30 minutes and I want blue Toyota.
Blue Toyota?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll text you though, because I gotta go back into work. Oh, right, she ain't going before. Shh, 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 guys, shh. Hello?
Yeah?
No, I was telling you I have to text you because I bathroom didn't come something there, so I'll go back at work.
Alright, the problem, never let us know.
Yeah. Alright.
The plane
Yes.
is going.
if this is working out, we can trick people enough, you know. Yeah.
But I'm planning.
Are you planning? No, B, that's it. We just said. Alright. Let me give my husband the props for telling me what to say. But I was gonna tell her that I gave Shanky family what she knew, like what food figure or whatever. But he was like, no, say whatever. So I was like, okay. But I mean, they drop it in school shoes pack. Come in, no say shoot. I run quick for that because she needed or whatever.
My brother lives on all the way down there.
Where is it? I started on this, B? I started on this?
No.
Portmore Ross. So she gonna leave or no? She gonna be sitting there waiting?
No, not take much long still.
Probably like 2 minutes.
Alright.
And the taxi she take?
No, probably bingo or something.
Probably.
Yeah. Alright, we have pull up a juicy beef. See interest somewhere. It fell. I don't even know what kind of car Beagle's up there.
Guys, it's gonna be so fun! Next we're going to prank my mom.
What? Roll up the window somewhere?
The window.
I just text her and say, he said he reached. Where?
There.
Oh, turn it back around.
Leave that.
They can't see somewhere. They can't see. They can't see. Oh, guys. Me just text her. Wait, don't say nothing yet. He said, I just text her and said, he said he reached. Don't roll out a good window, you know. Oh, you're surprised? It was quick. It was quick, honestly. True. We got her good. We got her good.
Wow.
Why not to be Shanky?
What? What?
Shanky is a bitch. Kayla!
You're for Tyrone. Tell.
One more, please go.
Go pee pee.
B, go lock that door.
Come here, my son. Me then I nothing with your parents.
Go lock that door, B.
No, it was quick. I just told you. We booked the ticket like freaking last week. Go if I want a cheap ticket. And no, next week. It's only like 4 days, 5 days. No, choose something that boom boom said she gonna come. Then Granny said, all right, if we're not come. And I was like, oh, that's money. And I sit
Granny
in.
come?
Yeah.
Next we're gonna do my mom.
So go in the bathroom.
No, they say that work on
Oh.
You're not back in again?
No, I'm not going to piss on Jamaica.
Kayla, you said.
I don't know.
Kayla, me have you.
What?
Kayla, you do me this. I'm back in my room. So come in and brush my teeth this morning.
I'm surprised. So you can talk about her gonna be strange and brush your teeth?
I'm so happy to see.
Oh. So what this I do?
Me don't know. Anytime you're ready.
I'm planning to do my mom.
Oh God.
You don't take Shanky and asking because how far you
No, and you know what I was like, Felice on a fool, because she gonna say a whole outside blue, it just...
No, because me I think now, and I may say to them, and then I said to myself, Phil, no, you know, nobody go first and said to Pauline and make them stay if they know. I mean, I say, sure, it don't reach. But
no, you know what, something that I was gonna ask her, but when I looked at her ticket, next month she'll come out. And I was like, fuck. And then at that time, the boom, they decide. So
Okay, me didn't have a hint. Eh? Taxi me take. Taxi.
oh,
Me take taxi from River Circle. Get someone?
Okay, some man up there.
Say you want to come back?
So we have it.
Me take a deal. Back a deal.
Alright. Me drive 3 books from checker.
Yeah, let me a deal.
Then drive 3 books if I already know.
Alright, come before you leave for
Why?
Redwood. If me left River Circle before you come,
Yeah, that's
make
calm.
you just come across back. Make you
Yeah,
come across back.
come here, catch soon, man.
Drop me across the road.
you want your cookie?
Yes, please!
B, you can pull it trunk. Pull it trunk.
Come some.
I just need this book bag. I don't know. This is a book bag. I know. Why would I pull a fucking suitcase right here?
I'm gonna get my gum.
Yo, bro. Yo, Kayla, people not doing something again, yeah?
B, it's not nothing.
Thank you.
Push me back, not visible. Let's push me back. People not doing something again.
It's not that big of a deal.
I knew, but they took my phone away, so I couldn't.
Customary chat for Lisa. Oh God.
Lisa nearly dropped down to bomb.
Wait. Hold on.
Mikey.
We
You find nobody now?
Kayla,
Me say first Kayla come to Jamaica.
no. Guys, we just buck up on ours. I can post now, so we can post though. Yes.
You're mad.
Alright guys, so we just left Fell. We're gonna link up back later, hopefully. And then we have to come up Shanky's family. You guys must hear we talk about Dragon a lot of time. We are gonna stop at Feed Place. And you know, I said, oh, when you come back to Jamaica, you have your little sitting up there, you know, whatever. Somebody, something like, who's this? Oh, I guess they're gonna look. I'll be like, Dragon, I'm home.
Yo, stop in there.
Stop,
I'm gonna say Wagwan Gowian.
Somebody stop.
Gowian's supposed to be.
We gotta park. Alright. Somebody there in front? Huh?
No.
But we're going to the back. Shh. Sorry, I'm being serious. Don't know something there. Lock your door. Somebody got it. Somebody! What is you doing?
Come on.
Yeah, go to your front or back? In back. This side. In front. Somebody, stop!
I better look.
Shh. Is it open? Jesus Christ. Dragon.
Whoa, my boss. Glad to see you, man. Proud of you, glad to see you. Proud of you, fuck. Proud of you, boy. Show up on you. You come next year now. Come in. Yeah, miss me, come in. Come on.
Where's Dragon?
Where's Johnny, sir?
He's up the road there. Suspense.
You're surprised?
Far surprise. Far surprise. But the pussy one time say I bucket out me know something me have something in the tinkle. Yeah.
Me know say that must drop some hint or something.
No tell me say I'm coming.
Long time me tell you every time
Kick out the blood. Let me start to figure on that thing.
Yo, my phone connect to Wi-Fi so quick.
Can you not agree?
No, but different phone this.
You're hot
The
though.
phone do not name.
This vlog is all about just surprising people. We just don't see Dragon.
How would that?
And- how that?
Come up feed.
Who that? Who that? Janice? Wait, don't. Moa, come out. She can't see you, care. Wait, roll it down. She can't see. Miss Janice! Oh. What?
What, Mikayla?
No.
No good?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yes.
Only thing you look put down, look a bit of wind.
I tell you get tell me now. Two more people to go.
Alright.
Clear no.
I just hope she don't pass out.
Sam. She's not gonna try to say, bye, Bonds. Okay, why? I'm not going down so like, but Jesus Christ.
I bet Star gonna come up and slap me.
Huh? Y'all gonna stop, though?
Yeah, man.
Of course, man, I'll come out, you know, me not like
Yeah,
this
come
song
out, turn
business.
on.
No, don't come.
No, Sam.
Why?
Yo, guys, my husband, I'm man, you know, am I done? B.
I'm doing a side of the soul later.
B. Me just tell the blacks and my husband, I'm man, you know, yeah, I done, though. Eh?
You know.
He stop around and what you call this though? What song? Yeah, like his friends there, but like where everybody like know him like the music, huh? Everybody say Bumba. Sorry, stop it cussing. Stop.
I ain't cussing.
That is cussing. And they must say, yo, you just pop up. And then you run your friend them, you know. Oh, B, all to you. I greatest thing. Yes, I know I am. But yeah. We just feel so, you know, we can do this more often, B. You didn't want to go 2 years, cool off, and then come back and just,
2 years too long.
that's too long. Oh.
Yeah, like a year, every year.
B said this too long, and when B first come up, foreign said, man, I'll come back to Jamaica 5 years time, and 1 year time,
Yeah, 1 year,
you
every
just
1 year
run,
we
come
survive.
down.
That gas it. I know there's bumps, but you gotta gas
But
it.
yeah, damn, this whole vlog is like strictly surprising people, like, yo.
Yeah.
Oh God, I know
just feel like
we're about
I
to go up to
cannot-
his mom, and we have a little surprise going on up there that we're going to share with you guys. Don't know if I'm gonna put it in this vlog or like a separate vlog to itself. I don't know. We'll see how it just goes.
Dad,
Yeah.
it's not this house, okay?
Sam, your dad must know which house it is. Let me get. Wait, B, Samora. Sam. Miss Clear. Oh. Oh no. Oh God, Sammy. Sammy. Sam. You need to see grandma. What's that doing? That work?
Don't work. She not come till all in them at like before she come.
Me. Oh, Dari, what?
Auntie Kayla.
What's up?
It's okay, son.
Hi. Sam.
Yeah.
You wanna see grandma?
Come on, Grandma.
Oh God.
Let me go.
You're surprised, though.